In front of me is Honor for 100 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select an app you wish to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of it. And as you can see now, I can use mine in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this blue line and operate all of those. To close it, you can always swipe it, so click. You can always swipe it to the top right corner. And then drag it to this bin section at the bottom. Let go when this section turns red. You can also click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!